Yo guys, I will show you how to make AI memes using Luma Dream Machine. So let's get it started. So go to Luma AI Dream Machine website, then click on try now. You need to sign in with a Google account. After logging in Luma AI, make sure you have images saved on your device. We're gonna use the Success Kit meme image. We will drag it onto our Luma AI Dream Machine. It will also show an end frame option, which I will show later. I will generate a baby running to the ocean and the camera follows him. Then just click on generate. It will then add your image in the queue. While that's happening, you should be able to add another one. So I'm gonna add an Asian guy that does kung fu moves. Then you can just click on the generate button. It actually did a decent job with the success baby meme, but it's not really perfect as you notice. This kung fu AI meme kinda reminds me of Dragon Ball Super's episode 5 animation. We're gonna add a meme in the start point, and then we're gonna add a end point like I mentioned before. I will type a man goes on his door and then transitions of a baby that walks. So you can see that it actually comes out something like this, but sometimes it doesn't come out right, so you may have to play around with the prompt a few times to get it right. If you want to continue it, then you can actually use the endpoint meme as a starting point, and then just use a different meme at the end point, and then I will type a baby runs to the beach and goes past a muscular guy in the beach. Then click on generate. Then these will be the results of our AI memes. So this is how to make AI memes using Luma AI Dream Machine. Anyways, check out my other videos and Yogomo guys, and have a Yogomalicious day.